MSpy versus FlexiSpy comparison. In this video, we're going to be talking about MSpy and FlexiSpy and which one is the better software for monitoring your phone, computer, or tablets. So first of all, let's talk about MSpy. Now, MSpy's prices start off from $48.99. It's a completely hidden Android version application, and it's said to be the best phone tracker for your parental control. So if you want to add in locks or parental controls for your children, trust me, this app is the perfect application for you. The one downside about MSpy is that it doesn't allow you any phone call recordings, phone call interceptions, or you can read IM calls from it either. Okay, that's when FlexiSpy comes in because FlexiSpy is a much cheaper solution because it starts off from $29.95. Then again, it's completely hidden on Android 11 till 13. You can record phone calls, record phone interceptions, read any type of IM calls, record phone surroundings, listen to phone surroundings live, and you can take photo and video with your phone camera. So that's why FlexiSpy and MSpy are the top most used trackers out there. Now, in my opinion, I would definitely go with FlexiSpy, but obviously it depends on whatever kind of taste you want to go with. But that's the main idea of parental control apps. These are the two top ones, and you can use any one you want. That's all from me though. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.